In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print multiple slides on one page in PowerPoint 2024. So what you have to do, go to File, and here you see Print. And from here you can select Full Page Slides, Print Out Layout, Full Page Slides. You can also select 4. You can see here 6 on one page. And you can add more copies. Maybe you want more, so from here you can add the exact number, the exact copies you want. Here you have some other options here. You can also go from landscapes or portrait or colors, grayscale or color. So that's how you print multiple slides on one page in PowerPoint 2024. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching and take care.